How to set a reminder for schedule Instagram live. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply set up a schedule for a reminder of Instagram live. So what you have to do is open up the Instagram application on your mobile phone devices. Afterwards, you're gonna go into the profile by tapping on the profile icon that is at the right left corner. That is you're going to tap at your profile icon that is at the right bottom corner of your screen. Once you'll go in or reach on that page, what you're going to do is you're going to go and check the schedule live. So once you get there, for example, I get this in the bio menu that there is a live video that is supposed to happen on April 5 at 10:30. So eventually I'll go to that post. I see is a bell icon and I'll tap on it. Once I do it, so I'll tap on the edit and this is it. So this is how you set up a reminder. This is how you do it. I hope this video was informative and helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Till next time, peace.